his cigarette. And what made you decide to call us?
More like the evidence.
What are you doing?
Pretty much.
Shockingly, John's first call was not.
Good job.
Mom was so upset. Why William looked like he hadn't slept in a week. I told them the truth. I used to help them because I thought that's what family did, but they made it clear I'm not family, so I'm done. Some people took my side, some didn't. I found out from a mutual friend that my parents had tried to get a loan to cover.
TV on the bridge, TV on the bridge.
What are you doing, you retard? Oh! Get oh!
Continue on Homer Watson Boulevard for 1 kilometer.
Oh, no. Are you okay?
Yeah.
obviously why you got in handcuffs, my man. I got a whole dash cam of you doing stupid stuff, driving on the road, endangering everybody. You're probably gonna have to go around because we're gonna.
I just called that in. Too.
We're gonna get one. So, you see how happy everybody was?
You got me. Good work. I'm sorry.
Everybody's happy.
Like that's all the way down.
Who's that? His buddies?
Yeah, way down. They were way down past Prairie, back up, way down. The whole time.
Well, we got one of them.
Yeah.
I gotta see if we're gonna tow your bike and put a hold on it for a nuisance.
Oh no, please don't.
The last time we dealt with these, they put a hold on them.
Oh,
which means it gets put in storage, you pay the tow fees, and all that.
Every day?
Yeah, for 6 months.
No, dude, don't do this.